These miniature rescue videos are absolutely blowing up right now, pulling in millions of views and helping creators grow accounts incredibly fast. What's crazy is that most people think these videos take hours to make, but today I'm going to show you how to create them in just a couple of minutes using AI. Before we jump into the tutorial, take a look at what's happening right now. There's a TikTok account called Mini World ASMR with over 200,000 followers. Their most viral video has over 34 million views, and they have multiple other videos with millions of views as well. Then there's another page called Mini Rescue. They only have 14 videos uploaded so far, yet they've already grown to more than 167,000 followers, with videos reaching 27 million and 19 million views. And it's not just TikTok. I even found a similar Instagram page called Mini Rescue 1, where some of their videos have hit 37 million and 25 million views. As you can see, this style of content is absolutely exploding right now across multiple platforms. And the best part is that you don't need any editing skills, animation experience, or expensive software to create it. In fact, before I show you the process, take a look at this video that I created in less than 2 minutes using the exact method I'm about to show you. Alright, let's get started. To create these videos, we're going to use an AI platform called Sjinn. You'll find a link in the description below. Once you've signed up, you'll see a dashboard like this. From here, click on Studio and then select Viral Video Studio. Once you're inside, you'll find Mini Rescue in the bottom row. Now you'll see a box where you can enter a scenario for your video. For example, you could type something like, "Tiny people are trapped in a flooded village." If you don't want to come up with your own ideas, I've already done the work for you. I've put together a Google Doc filled with ready-made mini rescue scenarios, and you'll find the link in the description below. There are 2 pages packed with ideas that you can use immediately. Of course, you can also create unlimited new scenarios yourself, or simply ask ChatGPT to generate them for you. Let's copy one of the ready-made scenarios and paste it into the box. Now click Generate. After a few seconds, you'll get 2 prompts. One is for image generation, and the other is for video generation. First, copy the image prompt. Next, open Sjinn AI in a new tab and click Tool Mode. From here, select Nano Banana 2 and paste your prompt. Choose your aspect ratio. I'm going with 9:16. Then select your resolution. Let's pick 4K. Now click Generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Download the image by clicking this button here and go back to the previous page. This time, copy the video prompt. Now return to Tool Mode. Click on Video and make sure you select Kling 3.0 Image to Video. Upload the image you just generated and paste in the video prompt. Choose your aspect ratio again. I'm using 9:16. Also, make sure that multi-shot option is turned off. It should look like this. For the duration, you can generate videos up to 15 seconds long, but for this example, I'll choose 10 seconds. You can also choose between standard and pro mode. I recommend selecting pro for the best quality. Once everything is ready, click Generate. In less than a minute, your video will be ready. Let's see the final result.
Oh, we cannot cross this gap. Hooray! We made it!
As you can see, the quality is surprisingly good, and the best part is that you can create endless variations of these videos in just a few minutes. You can post them on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and other platforms to generate views and grow an audience. You could even create a course teaching other people how to make these videos and place a link to that course in your bio, giving yourself a second way to monetize the content. I've included all the links in the description below, including a Google Doc with ready-made scenarios to help you get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.